It is Monday, August 4th, and I think we should start up a few laptops. It's been a while. Well, except for the ones that I use semi-regularly. Okay, here we go. Just gonna go into the BIOS. Battery's still charged. Whoops, I was gonna use my audio recorder for this. Let's turn that on. You can see the screen needs a while to warm up. Yeah, there it is. Let's see what that... Oh. It needs a charge, so it's about to die, so let's turn it off. This thing was advertised as not having a hard drive because the hard drive was dead. And here's an intro clip I put at the intro for the first video of this. What the hell is that sound? Still works. If there's dirt in the panel, I'll be pretty mad. Likes to get dust and stuff in it. Looks good. There's a new old stock hard drive in here. It's a Samsung. Here's the cooling fan. It's a bit concerning. What the hell is the problem? Oh, it's counting the system RAM. Okay. Yeah, you hit escape to see the RAM count, the memory count. $2047. Yes, it has a DVD RAM drive. Those discs are kind of expensive. Some kind of weird waviness to the picture. Huh. Used my ON universal laptop adapter thingy, and it kept shutting off. I was like, oh crap, is that because the battery's out of the laptop? Which shouldn't be an issue. But it was from the AC adapter, so I used the one that came with it. Beautiful, nice audio. Yeah, there's no crap in the screen. Good. So yeah, there it is. Let me put the microphone in here, see what it sounds like again. When's the last time I started this up? You always check the dates on stuff in the recycle bin. Okay. It's been at least 2 years, maybe. Tuesday, November 28th, 2023. Yeah, it's been a while. The screen's still beautiful now that it's warmed up. So yeah, there it is. Do a shutdown. Get to hear the nice audio. Turn it up a bit. Turn it up a little bit. Put it in the middle here. And go. She comes on. It's a Phoenix BIOS, so you gotta hit F2. Pentium 4 2.8. Yeah, it works. BTQOO. Taking a while to enter setup. There's no disk in the drive. That's a sheet of DVD RAM. Oh, DVD RAM. Nice.